Dear students, very good morning. Today we are going to discuss about TCP IP model in Introduction to Networks and Layered Architecture. So let's discuss one by one. What is TCP IP protocol suite? The TCP IP protocol suite was developed prior to the OSI model. Therefore, the layers in the TCP IP protocol suite do not match exactly with those in OSI model. In original TCP/IP protocol suite was defined as four software layers built upon hardware. Today, the TCP/IP protocol suite, the major design goal of this model were to connect multiple networks together so that they appear as a single network to survive after partial subnet hardware failures, to provide a flexible architecture. Unlike OSI reference model, TCP/IP reference model has only four layers: host-to-host network layer, internet layer, transport layer, application layer. Layers in the TCP/IP protocol suites are only four layer: network interface, internet, transport, and application. TCP/IP model and OSI model. We can compare OSI model with the TCP/IP. OSI has 7 layers. TCP/IP has 5 layers: physical layer, data link layer, network and transport layer, and application layer. In OSI, session presentation application layer is different, separated individually. In TCP/IP, all are combined with application layer. TCP/IP model and OSI model. It has the internet protocol and the data link layer and physical layer, session layer, application layer, host to host network layer. The TCP/IP does not define any specific protocol. It supports all the standards and property protocol. Network layer TCP/IP supports internetworking protocol, address resolution protocol. It's an unreliable and connectionless protocol as a best effort delivery of service. IP transports data in packets called a datagram. Address resolution protocol associates a logical address with a physical address. On a typical physical network, such as a LAN, each device on a link is identified by a physical or station address, usually imprinted on network interface code. ARP is used to find a physical address of the node when internet address is known. Reverse address resolution protocol allows a host to discover its internet address when it knows only its physical address. It's used when a computer is connected to a network for the first time. Internet Group Message Protocol, Transport Layer, UDP and TCP are the transport level protocol responsible for delivery of message from the process to another process. In this diagram, we can see a private internet. It has a link A, link 1 has A, and link 6 has a B. How the data is communicated through links and the routers and switching mechanism. The unit of communication at the physical layer is bit. The unit of communication at the data link layer is frame. The unit of communication at the network layer is the datagram. The unit of communication at the transport layer is the segment. The unit of the communication layer, application layer is the message. First, we have to concentrate on addressing. Addressing has physical address, logical address, port address, and then specific address. Relationship of layers and addresses in TCP IP. Sorry. So here physical address underlying physical network, logical address, IP and protocol layers, specific address. Physical address, a node with physical address 10 sends a frames to a node with the physical address 87. The two nodes are connected by a link LAN. In this example, we can see physical address. It has a 12 hexadecimal digits. Logical address a part of an internet with the two routers connecting three LANs. The physical address will change from hop to hop, but the logical address remain the same. What is port number? Two computers communicating via the internet. The sender computer is running three processes at the time, at this time with port address ABC. The physical address changes from hop to hop, but the logical and the port address usually remain the same. OSI layer is the real world. First, from the loads on the truck is a physical layer. Postal stop, packets letter for the certain direction. After that, check address and sorts letter. It is network layer function. Then transport layer delivers letter to the post through the transport. And fifth one is the provide address and packets letter. It gives the destination route. Finally, prepare a final version. After that, handwrite a message. So, thank you, students. I hope you understand the concept of TCP IP model. You have to compare with OSI model. TCP IP has a 5 layers, but OSI has a 7 layers. Before OSI layer, TCP IP model is there. Thank you all. Have a great